Hello everyone, so this is new video and in this I'll tell you about all the books I used in my second year, also how to start studying and how to revise at end. So save this video and share with your friends. Also do take a notebook and pen, write all the tips that you should do with the specific subjects that I'll tell in this video. So stay tuned, see all the tips for all the three subjects and it will help you a lot. Starting with pharmacology, you should read KDT, which is the standard book for pharmacology, and it depends on you if you want to buy the book or you want to download it on iPad. But from my point of view, you should buy Tara Shanbag and write all the major points that are missing in that book from the KDT. So you have to read KDT. So I did a mistake that I bought KDT and not Tara Shanbag, and then at the end I have to read Tara Shanbag from my iPad. So I could reverse that if किसी ने मुझे पहले बताया होता, which I am telling you in prior. So do that, download KDT on your iPad and buy Tara Shanbag. So this will help you to revise quickly and also help you in every exam, be it sessional or finals, and will decrease the duration of time and you can revise a lot because pharmacology is very volatile and you have to read a lot. So second point is see GRG sir videos. I love them. So in first sessional I didn't know about him and मुझे कुछ भी classifications नहीं याद थे in first sessional and I scored 42. I just passed. Then I got to know about GRG sir and also people like Priyanka Sachdev ma'am, which उनके videos free है YouTube पे, but for GRG sir you have to buy the subscription from the Cerebellum app, so you can buy that because वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं और उनके सारे निमोनिक्स इतने ज़्यादा अच्छे कि तुम्हें वो ड्रग्स के सब कुछ ऐसे माइंड में याद हो जाते हैं. सो मेक नोट साइमल्टेनियसली विथ हिज वीडियो. ऑल्सो उनका एक नोट्स के लिए एक बुक भी आता है, so you can use that. So third point, you can make a cheat code notebook, a thin notebook or the PDF that I made. It is very helpful. It has all the classifications and all the major questions that come frequently in my previous year question in my college. So you have to go through your previous year question, make topics. You need to write topics which come frequently and also some difference table like amoxicillin and ampicillin. So with classification I add that points also. Also majorly you have to write if some specific adverse effects are there with any drug. Do add that in the classification table because whenever you will see that notebook or PDF to learn the classification, you will see the adverse effect and you will write the specific adverse effect. Except from nausea, college teacher usually don't give marks for writing nausea, vomiting and diarrhea as an adverse effect, except for the drugs who has the specific adverse effects of nausea, vomiting. So it helps me a lot in learning that. So make a PDF or a cheat code notebook. And most importantly, these drugs are not new. मतलब ये ऐसे कहीं से भी उठ के कुछ भी नहीं है. These are the drugs which we use in our day-to-day life. And also if there are any patient at your home, like if your elderly grandparents or if your mother and fathers are taking any medicine for hypertension, diabetes, do see the back label of the drug they are taking. It will help you a lot in retaining their name and also their uses. So I learned calcium channel blockers as a hypertensive, so I learned the names and all by seeing that back label. So it helps me a lot and you'll surely learn better. Pro point for revision is that after revising all the chapters, then revise the general pharma, because all the points that are in general pharma you will study subsequently in later chapter, and when you have read all the chapters बाद वाले, तो general pharma revise करना बहुत ज़्यादा easy हो जाता है, because major adverse effects और जो भी drug interactions होते हैं वो तुम्हें पहले से पता है. तो in general pharma you correlate और you like बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी से याद आ जाते जल्दी. So revise general pharma at end. Next subject is microbiology. I know this subject is like थोड़ा सा weird, but I read Apurva Shastri. It is the Bible, and make notes because मैंने ये पढ़ना शुरू किया था एग्ज़ाम के 3-4 वीक्स पहले ही, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मेरे को लैब डायग्नोसिस ज़्यादा बेटर याद होंगे, और वो बेटर थे. बिकॉज अगर मैं पहले से याद करूँगी तो ऐसा कुछ इसमें कुछ कॉन्सेप्चुअल है नहीं कि तुम्हें कॉन्सेप्ट्स लर्न करना है. यू ओनली हैव टू लाइक remember the lab diagnosis and also the identifying points. So start reading it like a month before your exam so that you remember better. So in this microbiology notes ऐसे random notes नहीं बनाने हैं. So there are some points which I'll tell how to make notes. Firstly, make a list of organism with their identifying features. For example, rice stool water is for cholera. So अगर ये वाला अगर list बहुत अच्छी से बन गया, बिकॉज एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन वैसे ही आएंगे कि कुछ आइडेंटिफाइंग फीचर्स होगा एंड यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द ऑर्गेनिज्म फर्स्ट एंड देन राइट द अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. बट अगर तुमने आइडेंटिफिकेशन में ही गलत कर दिया, यू लूज होल मार्क्स. लाइक 10 मार्कर होगा तो होल 10 मार्क, एंड 4 मार्कर होगा तो वो भी पूरे गया. तो फर्स्ट इज यू नीड टू मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिज्म. जैसे जैसे पढ़ते जाओगे, एड टू द लिस्ट organism with their specific identifying point. Second, also I made the list of organism with their specific culture methods so that you can write something different from Malditoff and Vitek. So it helps you a lot in the end. So third one is the list of so I made a note of all the life cycles of various organisms. So I had like 5 to 6 pages of all the organisms with their life cycles, because ये बहुत ज़्यादा confusing होते हैं. तो I usually revise that. So these are the major headings under which you can make your notes. And for hospital acquired, एक मेजर यूनिट है हॉस्पिटल एक्वायर्ड इन्फेक्शन. मेक गुड नोट्स बिकॉज स्पेशली इन माई कॉलेज दे कंसिडर दिस यूनिट विथ जनरल माइक्रोबायोलॉजी, एंड डू नॉट लीव जनरल माइक्रो बिकॉज it has like 30 marks. So read it properly from the beginning. Lastly, and my favorite, pathology. So this has 2 books, Robbins and Ramdas. I also bought Robbins, which I should not, मतलब I should have not. मुझे रामदास लेनी चाहिए थी, but Robbins एक standard book है. So it's like Guyton from the physiology. तो मैं स्टार्टिंग में तो पढ़ा था रॉबिन से, बट देन आई रियलाइज कि मुझे कुछ याद नहीं हो रहा, आई एम जस्ट रीडिंग. तो आई स्विच टू रामदास एंड आई एडेड ऑल द पिक्चर्स एंड मेजर टेबल्स फ्रॉम द रॉबिन्स, बिकॉज उसके डायग्राम्स बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं रॉबिन्स के. सो आई एडेड दैट टू रामदास, बिकॉज रामदास के जो हेडिंग्स और जो सब हेडिंग्स होते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं, जिसकी वजह से यू कैन रिटेन थिंग्स बेटर. So in pathology, make good notes. So for example, for blood chapter, I made the table. I made notes in my tabular form. This helped me a lot in revising, because वो peripheral smear and all the lab diagnoses are very confusing for all the types of anemia and all the जो भी blood disorders होते हैं. तो ऐसे ही you can make a different table for various disease, so you can learn better. And also you can watch videos of Priyanka Sajdev ma'am. They are really nice. You can learn better by seeing her video, because वो ऐसे visually याद हो जाता है, especially the genes and specific findings of the disease. Also add diagrams and smear findings in your answers, because it will help you in score better. For example, in blood chapter, do not forget to make smear with like purple and pink pen. If जैसे मेरे कॉलेज में हम iPads में e-pads में एग्जाम देते, तो we have that privilege of using different colors, so we have to like make good diagrams. So these are some advices and tried and tested things for each subject. So now I tell you overall how you can study. So firstly, make good notes. Secondly, see all the PYQ beforehand and write all the topics which are like recurring. For example, shock as a 10 marker comes a lot, so you have to prepare that notes accordingly. So it's better to see PYQ before starting studying. Also study with your friends, especially pharma, और मैंने तो फार्मा और पैथ दोनों अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ पढ़े थे, तो बहुत ज़्यादा इजी होता है टू रिमेंबर एंड ऑल्सो टू रिवाइज, बिकॉज तुम उनसे क्वेश्चन पूछते हो, वो मेरे से क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, ऐसे करके तो यू गेट अ रियलिटी चेक कि तुम्हें कुछ याद हो भी रहा है कि नहीं, एंड रैंडमली तुम उनसे कुछ भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हो, तो वो स्ट्राइक होता है कि हाँ मैंने उस टाइम गलत बोला था तो उसने क्या करेक्ट किया था मुझे. So this is end of the video, and for any queries do comment down below. And also if you are using something else and you got the result and वो तुम्हारे लिए work कर रहा है, तो do comment down that also, and stay tuned. Bye, take care.